We have two modules, Letters and Building Sentence and Building Words. There are 3 training videos. You can access those online or you can access them here. And we have 2 lesson plan manuals, the American and the International. The difference is the International does not have the Common Core listed within it. This is a full PDF, a whole year of supplemental lesson plans, short stories for every animal, and fun facts. Now both of these are aligned to state standards. Now you'll notice too on these cards we have color coding on the bottom. So all of the sight words have blue band on the bottom, which goes with the letters and building sentences. So you know these words will work in this module. Now all the letters have 2. It has a blue and an orange, so the letters will be able to work in both modules, the building words and the letter and building sentences module. Now I'm going to show you what the buttons on the screen do. I can either touch these buttons with my finger or use a mouse. Now I have a touch screen, so I'm going to use my finger. So I touch on letters and building sentences, and I can toggle into building words. As soon as I touch that, I'm in the building words program module. Now I'm going to show you what the buttons do on the upper right. The smaller button here will change my screen into a smaller screen without shutting down Letters Alive. If I want to go into a larger screen, full screen, I simply touch it again. Now if I go to my home button, it will shut down my current program module and take me back to the Letters Alive menu.